Okay, welcome everyone. Chris Wood with a short tutorial on how to use YouTube to store your videos. So you can see I'm signed in here, and what I want to do is go up and click on my little ghost and go to my channel. Now if you haven't created a channel, all you need to do is click on my channel and it's going to prompt you to create a channel. So if you don't have one, you click there. If you do have one, you click there. Once that channel is created, you can see it comes in. I've created one. It comes in, looks like this. The first place we want to go is to Customize Channel. Something important there, if you click on the little wheel here, will take you to the settings window, and you can see I've kept everything, or everything defaults to being private, which is good. So you shouldn't have to change anything there, but go ahead and check those just to make sure. Okay, we'll cancel that. Now what we're really going to be working with is playlists. And everybody should know what a playlist is, where you put your favorite stuff to view, but you can also use playlists to organize your videos while you're designing a course in Buzz. So let's click on those playlists. If you need a new one, and probably will create one, just right there, new playlist, name it, and it'll show up down here. So you can see for the class example, or the class designing example, I've created one called Biology. I click there. The several videos that I saved are linked there. Okay? Let's go ahead and add one. So I'm going to do Biology 101, search for that. And you can see it comes up with a variety of different videos. Now, once you've previewed one, you can go directly over here and just add that to your playlist. So if you've watched this one already and you're finding it again, you know you've previewed it, you can click there to add to it. But typically, what you would do is go ahead and click and play on that. And while it's playing, we can come down here. I don't think you have to skip the ad, but I'll go ahead and do that. So while that's playing, I can come down and click Add To. And there's my biology, and it has been added. Okay, let's go back to my channel, see what we did there. And now we have another video in there. So go ahead and find videos, add them in there from as many places as you wish before you go to start building your course in Buzz, or at least the ones that you know you're going to use. I think it's a lot quicker if you get your pieces put before you start building, rather than looking for the pieces while you're building, but that's another lesson. Okay, so as we know, YouTube's one way. YouTube itself is one way to find videos, but there's lots of other places where you may find those videos. Still, good practice first is to get them to YouTube. So let's look at an example of pulling one from Khan. So I have one here. It's about RGB color, and I've checked that out. Lots of good videos on Khan, but this one, and not every video on Khan or others will have the YouTube option, but many of them do. So if you just hover right there, you can see that I can go and ask this to play in YouTube itself. Now, when I do that, that gives me the Add To button, and we'll add that to Biology. Okay. Let's go back to our channel, see if we indeed added yet another video. And of course, now we have 5. Good. So again, through Khan, by playing it in YouTube, from Khan into YouTube, then you can add it from YouTube into your playlist. Okay, so why is all this important? again, getting all those things organized before you go to put them into your course. Let's go back here. I'll just go ahead and play the color science one.
Red end of the spectrum. They respond by sending a...
Okay, so before we can add that to Buzz, what we're going to do is go up there and click on that URL and copy it. Get the whole, make sure you get the whole thing. Okay. It's a great big long one. I'm kind of careful about that. I usually like to, you can double click it, but I like to see that I got the whole thing. Okay, let's bring our Buzz in now. And there's our sample online course that you should know by now that we're using to show you how to do various course design elements. So down here under lighting, I created a folder or an assignment folder called Color Theory. And under Color Theory, I have a nice Engage. So let's go ahead and edit that. And this is where I want to then put that video in. And notice you've got the Insert YouTube Video button right there. Insert that link. Make sure that you save that. I was looking down. The old version of Buzz had it saved down below, but the new one, it's up here. Go ahead and save. And now the great thing is when you play that video, it's contained. Students see it right there. The play button's there. All those things work really well. And we don't have ads and things off to the side, so great way to do it. Now, of course, if you're stuck, if you can't get the video into YouTube, there's some workarounds. We can look into those, but what you should do, gather videos that you know you're going to use, put them in that playlist so you know where they are, you know where to go to get them, and then go ahead and use that Insert YouTube Video button to post them into your Buzz course.